Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I am going to show you step by step how to make your TikTok story private. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. The first that you have to open your TikTok profile. After that you have to tap on top right 3 lines. When you click on these 3 lines here you have to click on setting and privacy. After that here you have to click on privacy, here you can see. After that you have to scroll down and click on story. When you click on this story now here you have to click on only you. Now here you have to click only you. This means that no one else will be able to see your story except you, and your story will be private. In this way you can make your story private in TikTok. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.